So today we are going to talk about design, in particular planning for long-term growth. Design does not exist in vacuum. The application of design by different companies is at various stages of development. As a result, how design is managed will be determined by the organization's nature and goals for how design and design innovation are used within the organization. We can say that a number of critical tasks will be required to plan for long-term growth of design within a business. In the first place, it will necessitate the organization's willingness to embrace new opportunities and its ability to adapt to changing conditions. Second, it necessitates the formation and growth of a dependable and trustworthy design team, one that can actively advocate for the use of design both within and beyond the business. Third, it necessitates the declaration of the worth and advantages of designs. Buildings on project accomplishment is critical for giving the design strategy legitimacy and authority. And finally, these advantages must be pushed in order to educate our other stakeholders about the power of design. Now we are moving to building design in the organization. Within an organization, implementing and design strategies can have an impact on how various business units work. If a design team was formerly part of another business unit, becoming its own department will change the rules, duties, and channel of communication. It's possible that functional areas will need to shift as well as new organizational structures and business model. In order to select the most suitable position for a developing designing team, designing managers must plan ahead. In order for a design strategy to best meet an organization's needs, it may be necessary to rearrange it. When the need for a new business unit becomes critical to the organization's success, it is normal practice to create one. Many firms, for instance, develop an entirely new business unit to handle corporate intranets and exchange knowledge as a stimulant for innovation and compensation, since the dissemination of corporate knowledge and internal flow of information. Thinking on how the best serve customer can also lead to incorporating design into the organization. How can the process of generating products and services be redesigned to focus on the user rather than the organization's internal structures? When you look at the problem from the perspective of a customer, you can see how to optimize procedures and what changes there are for producing new products, service, or experiences. So now we are moving to building a flexible and adaptable design resources. A flexible and adaptable attitude is required for the ability to adjust to changing situations. Managing the long-term expansion of a design strategy for design managers includes ensuring that it is expandable as the organization's reputation and usage of design expands. As the success of a project becomes more widely known, the method design is handled and may also change. This effectively means that the business has processes in place that enable for quick access to design teams and resources as needed. Developing and maintaining an in-house design team, purchasing design skill, or partnering with a design consultancy, creating the design roster, establishing the design procurement process, or combining a number of methodologies for different types of stage of a project are example of such a system. So this will be this chapter. So planning for long-term growth.